Hi lovelies, thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you this super delicious and moist air fried chicken recipe. It is so easy to marinate, super delicious and very moist. Let's get right into it. I've nicely cleaned my chicken with lime and vinegar. I'll add my onion powder, garlic powder. I have ginger powder here, black pepper, paprika. I'll add my chicken seasoning, salt, and then my secret ingredient, sweet chili sauce, guys. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of that, and then I'll come in with some natural herbs, rosemary and parsley. I'll add in some lemon juice, about a half a lemon juice. And guys, this is all you need for this chicken. I'll go ahead and marinate this very well. I'm making sure that every part of the chicken has all of the marinade. You could as well mix all of this with oil and then just add it onto your chicken. That will also work. I was super excited, so I didn't even think about that. All right, so my chicken was well marinated. I covered it and left it in my refrigerator for 30 minutes. You can allow it to marinate for a longer time if you don't need it right away. But dinner was getting close, so I had to start, getting this going. I'm using my countertop air fryer or any air fryer oven works, okay? So the setting was at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I was cooking this for a total of 40 minutes. Every 15 minutes, I want to kind of turn the chicken over to allow the other side to cook very well, because I want everywhere to be nice and crispy, but the inside of the chicken was super moist and very delicious. So at this point, I've turned it over to get the inside of the chicken to cook, and then 15-20 minutes later I came back in to turn it over again. I wanted the outside of the chicken to be very nice and crispy. I mean the skin of the chicken to be nice and crispy, guys. This will be my last flip over, and then we'll just wait for the chicken to be nicely cooked and crispy, guys. Like I said, it was in for another 15 minutes. I cooked this for a total of 40 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. But I was checking it every 15 to 20 minutes, to flip it over. And the chicken was done, guys. It was super delicious. So it was dinner time, and I had to serve the family the first batch that went inside the air fryer. This air fryer can only take about 4 or 5, depending on the size of the chicken. Yes, I cooked the last 4. I had about 8 pieces of chicken quarter leg. Now, if you don't have an air fryer, you can definitely put it in your regular oven or whatever type of oven that you have. Just make sure you cook it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes and you have your crispy, moist chicken. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. If you're new on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. God bless you. Bye.